Hey guys, back with another video from my addictive blogging channel, and I have with me the Amazfit Gtr 2e. A lot of people are saying that they are not able to control the music with the help of the buttons of this smartwatch. So we will see whether this is true or we can still control this music on our phone with the buttons of this smartwatch, and if there are any issues, what are the things we need to do to fix that, and when we can control the music with the buttons of the smartwatch. That will be a really good thing because the entire music can be controlled with the smartwatch itself. So as always, this video will be a sick video guys, and if you are an enthusiast, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification up because I will be making more videos like this. So first of all, the Amazfit Gtr 2e comes with a lot of features, and also we can control the music with only the press of these buttons which comes with this smartwatch, and we can configure these buttons to control and listen to music from our phone. So first of all, let's see whether this is working or not. So for this you need to download obviously the third-party app, which is the Notify app. Make sure you are updating this app because a lot of things has been changed from the beginning, and make sure you are updating your watch also. So first of all, you need to connect your smartwatch with the Zape app, which is the official app for the Amazfit Gtr 2e, and once it is connected you will see that the battery percentage will be showing in here. So here you can see the battery percentage is showing, and now you can come to the Notify app, which is the third-party app, and I have updated the app recently. And here also you have to connect this Amazfit Gtr 2e. So once you have connected, you have to come to this last icon and the button option, and here you have to come to the custom actions option. So this is the option where you can configure the buttons of this watch, and once you are there you have to select the options to control the music on your phone. So I will recommend you to select the play stop music simulate phone buttons option. So this is really important, you have to select this one, and you have to select the next track and previous music track on the 2x button and 3x button action options. So in the 2x button action option, you have to make sure that you are selecting the correct option, that is the next music track simulate phone buttons, and in the 3x button action option you have to select the previous music track. So after selecting these three options, you have to enable them, because without enabling them you will not be able to control the music. And once you have done that, you have to come to your music player, or you can come to your Spotify, which I use a lot as a daily driver. So once I will be starting the music, I can control the entire music with the buttons of this watch. So I don't need the second button, I only need the first buttons. So how I can control? So one time if I click, the music will stop and play. So let's see whether this is working or not first. So if I click the button one time, you can see the music is not playing, and also if I click one time, it is not stopping the music. So that means it is not working. But here is a catch. So the real catch in here is you have to click the button 2 times to play and pause the music, not one time. So if I click one time, what is happening here is I am going to the menu of the watch, but if I click this 2 times, the music is playing. So I will be clicking it again twice, and again the music will be playing. So this is really important, you have to click the button twice for playing and pausing the music, and when you will be going to the next track, you have to click it thrice. I will be clicking the button 3 times now. So you can see it just went to the next track. That means it is working till now, and to go to the previous track I just need to click the button 4 times. I clicked the button 4 times and it went to the previous track. So whatever there is written as one time, you have to do one time extra to control the music in here. So for play stop music, you have to click it 2 times. For going to the next track, you have to click it 3 times, and for going to the previous track, you have to click the button 4 times. So this is the catch, that's why it is not working for few of the people. So whatever is written on the Notify app, you have to click the button 1 extra time in there. So if I click the button 1 time, you can see it will just go to the menu of the watch. So I have to click it 2 times to make the music play and stop. So that's it guys, I just wanted to show you that you can play and pause the music with the buttons of the Amazfit Gtr 2 and it is working flawlessly. I hope you have liked this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification up because I will be making more videos like this. Thank you guys, have a great day. Thank you.